back to the channel. For today's video, I got something interesting. Today's video is somewhat interesting. So I bought a replica blow-off valve off eBay, right? The blow-off valve I have on my car right now is a Precision / Go AutoWorks blow-off valve that comes with that came with my intercooler, my Kraftwerks kit. It just came with the whole shebang bang. But every video I've watched on the internet of a K-swapped or K20 supercharged Honda was with a TiAL style or TiAL itself blow-off valve. No Greddy, I never heard a Greddy one. I never heard like a HKS one. All I heard was like either Precision or the TiAL replica. So what I did, I purchased a TiAL replica blow-off valve. This blow-off valve was like 70, 60 bucks. It's like 60 bucks on eBay. It came with a 16-pound spring, or yeah, 16 and a 6-pound spring. Got a clamp, got the barb fitting, and it also comes with a brand new gasket. But I'm just going to be reusing this because I have everything on my original stuff that's still pretty much brand new. So what I have right here, like I said, is my Precision Go AutoWorks blow-off valve. Sounds great. Actually, what I'm gonna do before I start swapping out blow-off valves, I'm gonna go for a drive with this, do little pulls here and there, so you guys can hear the blow-off valve the best way I can. I probably mount like a GoPro up front somehow. I figure out how I can do it, just so you guys can hear it. I might mount it in the engine bay. I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison of the blow-off valves. Maybe if you're watching this video, you're just like, oh man, I could just buy this one, or I could just buy this one. Whatever preference, how you want your blow-off valve to sound when it releases that pressure. That's all on you, fam. I bought that because I want to hear how it sounds. I might like that one more than my Precision one. I might like a rep over a real one. Who knows, bro? If I like the real one, I'll probably buy the real one just because, you know, you want to support the companies that actually do this. But this is just me having fun with content. So if anything, I could just get rid of it or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. I guess we'll go for a ride in this, and then we'll come back home, let the car cool off a little bit, and then we'll put the blow-off valve on and go for a ride, and we'll see which one we like the most. So I'll do rev offs and shit like that, and had the whole thing clean. You hear me? Hopefully you guys can hear that. I'm not sure. So now I'm gonna get some some rev offs, and then we'll go from there, and then we'll swap on the TiAL blow-off valve, and then we'll do that, and we'll see which one sounds the best and things of that nature. Sounds good? I bet. Cool. Okay, so we're back home. Let the car cool down a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and swap over blow valves. But yeah, this is my baby, man. 2420, 24A bottom, K28 top, bone stock everything, RBC Gallifol port match to 70, Type S oil pump, Unit 2 oil pans, baffling. This was my track car, which I'm gonna actually just continue to still make it a track car because this is my baby and I want to have fun with it on the track. So, but yeah, let the car cool down a little bit, go inside, cool off with some AC, and come back out here and finish this up before it turns nasty out here. Oh, look at my girl. Hi, Akira. Hi, girl. That's my HNSI. So I got the old blow valve off right here. So this is the Precision Go AutoWorks collab blow valve, and then this is the replica TiAL blow valve. And yeah, you can see the difference in size. And look at the difference in size, dog. That's crazy. That's crazy. So, yep. Put that on, and we should hear how it sounds. All right, the blow valve is on. Before it starts singing some Tupac Hail Mary, let's go get the finalized portion of the video and see how this bad girl sounds and things of that nature. We'll see. Style V something style blow valve on. Sounds, I don't know, I gotta do a comparison of the two, but this one sounds more like airy, like more pshh-wee. So I kind of like that. We'll see how it sounds when I do the flyby on the camera and I do some little revs here and there. Hopefully it sounds good inside the cabin. I really wish I could have put the GoPro on the outside, but I'm not sure how the audio quality. What the hell is that big ass dragonfly? Dragon tails, dragon tails. Y'all ever seen dragon tails? Dragon tails. So let me know what you guys think of the comparison of the TiAL blow-off valve replica compared to the OE, well, the real deal precision turbo / go auto works blow-off valve. Let me know. I kind of like the fake one. It sounds more cool. Like, it sounds more ignorant. I like ignorance. You know what I mean? Like, it ain't turbo, so I can't really get the cool ass turbo sounds and all that. So the best thing I got for the for the Supercharged is the blow-off valve. So finding the right blow-off valve that fits you or what you want your car to sound like, it goes a long way. And I kind of like the replica TiAL one. I could just imagine how the real one would sound. Do my research, find out more setups with like a real blow-off valve of a TiAL, and then just place my order for a real one, so you know, I can support the companies that actually do. I just wanted to make this video for views. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you want to see a black man make it in America. I missed that show, How to Make It Into America. You guys ever seen that show on HBO? If you have HBO Max, watch that, or HBO Go, whatever the hell this shit's called, watch it. And if you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. Bro, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.